Hello everyone. In the last video we did a brief overview of NetLogo. In this video we're going to get a little deeper into how NetLogo models are made, and we're going to start with one of the central elements of most NetLogo models, the turtle. We'll begin by looking at the command center down here at the bottom of the NetLogo window. The command center is used for entering NetLogo code one line at a time and having it immediately executed. To create turtles, we simply type create-turtles followed by the number of turtles we'd like to create into the command center. We've created a single turtle. Its color is sort of bluish. And so when we create turtles in NetLogo, the turtles will have a random color and they'll be facing a random direction, but they'll always have this arrow shape by default. To further familiarize ourselves with turtles, let's open up the turtle monitor on the turtle we just created. To do this, we right-click on the view over the turtle, and we get this menu that pops up, and then we go down to turtle 0 here, and then we say inspect turtle 0, and then we should have access to this turtle monitor window, which gives us information about turtle 0. Individual turtles have a number of properties. We look here down under properties at all the fields here. Each turtle has a who number, which is unique to the turtle and starts with 0 with the first turtle we create and increments for each individual turtle as we add more turtles to the model. We have a numeric value representing color. We have a number here between 0 and 360 that represents the direction the turtle is facing, called heading. The X and Y core are the position of the turtle in the view here. So right now 0, 0 is the center of the view at the origin. Shape specifies the shape that the turtle appears as in the model. Label is some text that can be displayed underneath the turtle in the view, and label color is just a numeric value for the color of that text. Breed is something we'll touch on in later videos. Hidden is just a true-false property that tells us whether the turtle is displayed or not in the model. Size is the size of the visual representation of the turtle in the model. And pen size and pen mode we'll discuss in just a moment. The turtle monitor also has a little text input line here down at the bottom, and we can use this text input line to send commands directly to individual turtles. There are a wide variety of commands that turtles respond to, but I'll start by demonstrating just a few of the basic ones. We can ask a turtle to move forward in the view with the command forward, and then we specify some number of units we want it to move with a number. So I'll ask this turtle to move forward by 1, and you'll notice the turtle moves forward slightly in the view. I can also ask the turtles to turn. So I'll say turn left, and I'll ask it to turn left by 360 degrees just to demonstrate that this does nothing because it turns all the way around and comes back to the spot where it started. So you'll notice the turtle doesn't turn at all. But if I ask it to turn left 90 degrees, it'll turn by a right angle to its left, and now it seems to be facing in a different direction. We can also ask turtles to turn right. So now I'll ask it to turn right 45 degrees, and you'll notice it does that. We can ask them to go backwards. So I can say back 10, and you'll notice it's going to move quite far back now. I can change the values of turtle properties just by simply clicking in these areas and changing the values. So let's try changing the color. I'll change the color to 15. And then when I click out of that, you see it changes the color of the turtle. I can go down here and I can change the size. So let's make the turtle size 3. And that makes the turtle significantly larger. But I can also change these values by typing set and then the name of the property. So let's say set color to 19, and then that changes the color also, and you'll notice the corresponding value in the properties list changes also. For this next example, I'll change the color back to red, so I'll put it at 15. And then we'll use this command pen-down, which you'll notice sets the pen mode to down. Now when a turtle's pen is down, that means it draws a line behind it as it moves. So let's move the turtle forward by 5 units, and we'll notice it leaves a line behind it that is the same color as the turtle color. We can pick the pen back up with the command pen-up, and then we can ask the turtle to move forward again by 5 units, And you'll notice this time it doesn't draw as it moves. We've now covered a number of basic turtle commands: left, right, back, forward, pen up, and pen down. But there are a whole number of other commands that turtles respond to in NetLogo. You can view these commands by going to the NetLogo dictionary, which you can find by just typing NetLogo dictionary into one of your favorite search engines, or you can just go directly to the following URL. You'll notice that the NetLogo dictionary lists all the commands in categories. The category that's relevant to us right now is turtle related, because it lists all the commands that turtles respond to. Now, if we want to investigate an individual command, we just click on it and it will take us down to a section that explains the command and its usage. I really recommend using this NetLogo dictionary as you learn NetLogo. It's a great resource for finding out about new commands that you can make use of.